Before becoming a millionaire, the typical person falls bankrupt 3.5 times. This is a significant statement since it shows that nearly no one succeeds on their first attempt. It's quite natural to try, fail, and try again. What matters in the end is extracting the lessons from each setback in order to prevent making the same mistakes again. Some people succeed the second time, while other times it takes 10 attempts. Sometimes you're extremely fortunate and your idea lands exactly where it should. Facebook, Snapchat, and Airbnb, for example. If you ask the founders of any of these applications, they will tell you that they did not anticipate their success. The thing with success is that once you start achieving it, it will attract a lot of attention, and people will want to work with you and be your buddy, which can create a snowball effect, leading to even more success. That's why, even if they don't need it, successful people frequently get higher mortgage rates and packages. The complete contrary, however, is also true. It is possible to begin building wealth when you have nothing. What would you do if you had exactly zero cash in your bank account? Fortunately though, in this video, I'll walk you through 5 things to do if you have zero money in the bank. But before we proceed to that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we upload new videos like this. If you want to know what you can do if you have an empty bank account and if you have a chance to climb out of that dire financial situation, keep watching because we'll answer all of your questions and more. If you've recently filed for bankruptcy or are just getting started on your financial journey, then put long-term investments on the back burner for the meantime. Yes, even $5 per day invested over time will make a significant effect. But that is not yet a priority. It's a waste of time to think about how you'll make billions of dollars in 30 years when you're barely scraping by. Naturally, you should have a long-term perspective. However, at the end of the day, what makes a difference are your plans for the near future, which you can achieve in the next 6 to 12 months. Long-term investments are only worthwhile when you have additional funds. When you have a steady source of income, you can concentrate on developing a long-term portfolio. In these kinds of instances, even a few $100 each month will make a significant difference over time. However, most individuals make the argument that you need money to make money, which is true. Making money is much easier when you already have some. It might be anything from buying a working firm to investing in real estate or equities. But even so, this does not imply that you cannot make money by simply trading your time first. It is quite tough to obtain a reasonable income if you lack any talents. That is where the challenge begins. You should solely concentrate on building high-income skills at this time. Concentrate solely on one skill, one that is both in demand and has some entrance restrictions. If you've recently graduated with an accountancy degree, for example, don't get into auditing right away because every other accountant is. Try something out of the ordinary. That, like taxation, is a little more complicated. People despise taxation because of its intricacy, yet that is precisely what will set you apart from the competition. Private tax consultants are among the highest paid specialists, as wealthy people are always looking for ways to avoid paying taxes. They will come to you even if you charge $1,000 an hour if you can help them save a few $100 million. The same is true for any other job, including design, health and fitness, and so on. People frequently have an issue where they learn a skill, reach an average level where they are on par with their peers, and then stop improving. They are profitable, but not as much as their contemporaries. As a result, never be afraid to invest in yourself to improve your abilities. You can only keep self-educating yourself for so long. You'll need someone who can share their knowledge and experience in that sector with you. The field of investing was entirely incomprehensible to me when I first entered the stock market. Of course, I assumed I could self-educate, but I soon discovered that a single course from a seasoned professional is considerably more helpful than spending endless hours attempting to figure everything out on my own. If someone else has already invented the wheel, rather than trying to reinvent it, go learn from him. It only takes one chat with the proper person to figure everything out. That is why networking events are so crucial. Attend seminars, meet new people, and converse with them. People appreciate sharing their knowledge because it makes them feel fulfilled, as long as they are humble and respectful. But at the end of the day, it's your discipline that counts. Discipline is unrivaled. Yes, it can be difficult and tedious at times. However, it has repeatedly proven to be a successful method. Many people make the mistake of jumping right in and trying everything at once when they want to get disciplined after an inspiring moment. It's nice when you're driven, but I've seen it all fail because you will be fatigued at the end of the day. After a few days, you're right back where you started. So, if you want to perfect a talent, set a target of learning for 30 minutes every day. That's it. What matters is that you do not miss a single day. Once you've incorporated it into your daily routine, expand it to an hour, and so on. Making money, saving money, and investing money is a straightforward and transparent plan. As you grow financially or personally, your investment strategy will alter. It will most likely involve investing in yourself at the start of your adventure. Furthermore, as your income increases, you will be able to purchase assets that will provide revenue streams as well. While you're on your path to financial independence, don't forget to keep improving your credit score. Most people are unconcerned about their credit scores until they need money and struggle since they've been ignoring their credit scores for so long. It is really difficult to construct anything from scratch. Sometimes it takes a lifetime to accumulate enough capital to start your own business. That is why leveraging is your best companion. But no one will lend you money if you have no way of proving your financial responsibility. It makes no difference how skilled a money manager you are. No one will trust you unless you can prove it. So obtain a credit card as soon as possible. If you have trouble managing your finances, put your essentials on a credit card and pay it off at the end of the week or month. That's how you'll convince banks that lending you money is risk-free. So when mortgage rates are low, you can take advantage of the opportunity to purchase a home with favorable terms. The banks will finance the operations and so on once you've found a viable strategic plan. Remember, no one wants to work with you if you're broke. The rest won't function until you focus on laying the foundation first. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you want to be successful in your life and career, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.